This unit is covered by a 1-year Australia-wide warranty, which is honoured by NS Water, the Australian importer. Sparmax spec states that this compressor will run between 25 and 35 psi on average. We tried all the airbrushes from Sparmax and we got an average on this one unit in front of us of between 18 and 22 psi. So all your smaller needle sizes will run very well on this particular unit. So anything from Warhammer, modelers, small applications, your beautician, the lure makers, anything that's a small application with airbrush needle size, this compressor will run for you. So it comes with a handle on top. It's a really compact size, so it's perfect for the hobbyist where he wants to put it in the bedroom or even a studio or on a beautician's desk even. So on this end we have an on-off switch and we have a power cord which is 240 volt and you'll need to plug that in. It's an oilless piston, which means zero maintenance. So on this end, we have a 1/8 fitting. It comes with a 2 meter braided hose. That hose is a 1/8 fitting on this end and a 1/8 fitting on the other end. And it comes with a pressure gauge, as you can see. So as far as the other components, comes with a cradle there to put your airbrush in, and I'll show you this because this is what comes with the unit. You get a bleed valve at the bottom there, which you can see there is numbers on it. You can dial the pressure up and down directly from that bleed valve, which attaches to the hose, and then you get a moisture filter. That's a silver bullet, and that attaches directly underneath your airbrush, and that is a 1/8 fitting. It has a bleed valve underneath, so you can depress to release any moisture that gets into your airbrush moisture trap. Now, being the fact that it doesn't have a tank, the hose, you are wise to use the air on at all times to keep any air build up from becoming a burst of air. That way you get a regulated pressure that you set it at. And this will run all the Sparmax, like I said, in smaller applications, and it will run all the iWater airbrushes because it's a 1/8 fitting. But when you're talking iWater, you need anything from probably a 0.3 mil and down, or even the Neo range will work very well on this particular compressor.